What's up, everybody? This is the Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about freezing and unfreezing rows and columns. As we approach video number 50, if you've been enjoying this content, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button, maybe a like, leave a comment, something like that. Something that'll help YouTube continue to spread this around, and hopefully it can help out more people with learning what their spreadsheets can do for them. Jumping right on in, we have our data table. And let's say we want to look at this row right here. We want it to stay visible all the time. So we can scroll down as much as we want. Actually, let me undo that. Okay. So normally we scroll down, it disappears. We scroll right, it disappears. Let's say we want this first row to show up all the time. We get defaulted on our Home tab when we open up a spreadsheet. We go right over here to View, click that, freeze panes, simple enough, freeze top row. And voila, you've just frozen the top row, so no matter where you go, whatever's in here, this stuff, all that, always going to stay visible. So we have that, and let's say we want to take it a step further. We want to make sure that this stays visible all the time. We don't necessarily care about this, but we want this. If we want to take off the top row, you go back to Freeze Panes again on that View tab, click Unfreeze, click Freeze Panes again, and freeze the top row, or not the top row, excuse me, we just did that. Freeze the first column, the other button. You go here, you'll see that it always sticks with you. You can scroll down, up, it doesn't matter. Let's also say you want to do, we unfreeze that again. We go to View, Freeze Panes, Unfreeze. But if we want all of these to stay here, this one we have to aim a little bit. So we put it right in the corner of where we want things to be able to move. So it's on the edge of what we don't want to move and of what we do want to move. We just go again, the View tab, it usually stays there for you. Hit Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. Now if we scroll down, beautiful. Scroll right, beautiful. So we can go here, we can go here. We're always going to have that first column and that first row. Then to take it off, same thing. View tab, freeze panes, unfreeze panes, and we're back to normal. And there you go. So next time you need to freeze some columns or rows, anything like that, you got it covered. Again, if you appreciate this content, if you like what's going on here, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe, and have a great day. See you next time.